Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses are Nicky Wakey till day or till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this first shit. He don't see it coming.
I just beat Misfire. Fucking thank you! At the end of like a 7-hour session, what the fuck? that entire session was literally just fucking Sisyphus. Yeah, you did. Time to check attempts. I'm terrified. 3,406 on the regular. And 70,641 copyable. 21,000 attempts is all.